Textile design is, as a general rule, it's a repeating pattern applied to fabric. I usually point to a shirt or a dress that somebody's wearing and I say, I do that, I design that. We do bedding, rugs, upholstery, furniture, everything. I draw and I play with things in the computer and I send it off to a factory and I see what comes back. I'm Kay Wiener and I'm a textile designer at DwellStudio. I'm constantly looking for inspiration around me in books and magazines, going to museums. You know, it's all around you. My dad was a sculptor and a painter, and my mom was a painter. So I came from that background, which I resisted for a very long time. If I'm doing something extremely intricate and hand-drawn, that could take like a week or so. If I'm doing something geometric, it could take an hour. Like working here, I think about things a lot differently. Everything's on a larger scale, and the motifs are things that you kind of disappear in maybe like a shirt or a dress. You know, you might not want to snuggle into something that has a jagged edge as opposed to something that's like kind of soft and demure. That it's a hard thing to think about your customer and how it's applied. The best part is when everything's done and it's out in the world and you see it on somebody's bed or it's in a TV show or something like that, or a catalog. In my position here, I consider myself a designer first, an artist and a designer. I think the line is very much blurred in an applied arts backgrounds. Manufacturing and production come into play. There is a disconnect because you are limited. So I need to figure out what strategy I want to go into this print with, knowing my limitations, but also trying to push those limitations at the same time.